Water conservation by Divyansh. What is water conservation? Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage and prevent it for the future generation. Why water conservation is necessary? Water conservation is one of the most useful practices in today's life. Water conservation is necessary because our planet is almost 71% surrounded by water, but it is not drinkable. We have only 3% of fresh water and only 1 out of 3% is available to drink. With the declining availability of fresh water and increasing demand from increasing population, many peoples of different countries suffer from water scarcity daily. Now the question is, why people are suffering from water scarcity? The water present in oceans can be purified, but due to the high cost of removing salt from water, the water from oceans is considered negligible. And the uneven distribution of water is also a reason. Many ladies of the villages had to bring water from the hand pumps located kilometers away. Many peoples who are living at such place that they cannot enjoy rainfall from 2 to 3 years suffers from water scarcity. The main reason of water scarcity is that we have less water, but 51% of the fresh water is polluted, and this is the worst thing, that it is polluted by humans only. So what are the reasons of water pollution? The river water is used intensively for irrigation, drinking, domestic and industrial purposes, and after this the river was not as much pure as it was before. The drains carrying agriculture fertilizers and insecticides, domestic solid and liquid waste, and industrial waste joins the river. The organic and bacterial contamination continues to be the main source of water pollution. The industries established near any water body are often found throwing waste materials in it. The groundwater pollution has occurred due to the high concentration of heavy toxic materials, fluorine and nitrates at different parts of the countries. So what are the ways of water conservation? Public awareness and action can be very effective in reducing the pollutants from agricultural activities, domestic and industrial discharges. Attempts should be made to prevent the pollution, developing water-saving technologies and methods. There is need to encourage watershed development, rainwater harvesting, water recycling and reuse, and conjunctive use of water for sustaining water supply in a long run. Rainwater harvesting is a very important part of water conservation. In this, the water is harvested from rain. It has many methods. Some of them are Khadan system and rooftop rainwater harvesting. In Khadan system, at a low hill, a Khadan belt is constructed by rocks and bricks. When it is raining, then the water is collected in the Khadan belt, and by the time the water go inland and the groundwater level rise up, and the water collected in the Khadan belt is used for further uses. Another method is rooftop rainwater harvesting. In this, when it is raining, then the fresh rainwater is collected on roof, and by pump sets and pipes it is transported for filtration of soil, and then it is stored in tank and used for further uses. Water used at the place is reused from 2 to 3 times. The water used for boiling vegetables is used for washing other fruits and vegetables after cooling, and the water used for washing vegetables and fruits is used for irrigation of small plants present at home. And there are many more ways to reuse water. So that's all for today. Conserve water because water is life. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.